See, that's what you want.
Says who? I think.
Just dry it out.
Yeah. Yeah, it's not as bad as I thought it would be. But not as easy as it could be. I'm dropping seeds. You're going to be growing a bunch of gourds right there.
Be okay.
Here, I'm just going to cut them all off and then I can go and peel. There's a... This one's actually ready. Looks like it died while we were on vacation, huh?
I turned the water off to it.
Oh, why would you do that?
It needs to dry up. The gourds need to dry up so they can be picked. Otherwise, it's just going to keep growing. We got plenty.
So I didn't. Now we got to figure out what we're going to do with all these.
You wanted them.
Yeah. Oh goodness, that one's still good.
That one. That one right there.
Yeah, I'm coming. Oh, this one too. Oh my goodness. I think I need some better scissors, maybe. Maybe a better cutter. Yeah, there's some over here, huh?
Look, a purple whole pea.
Did it?
Yeah. Not you, Charlie.
I don't know why it's not cutting so.
She got them scissors.
Yeah. Oh, you told me I couldn't stand in it?
Don't stand on my, between them things is a water line. You step on one side or the other.
You just sink in.
Can you fit them all in that basket?
I'll figure it out. Andy. What do I do with all these?
You wanted them.
I don't know. We'll figure it out. Maybe somebody will comment with like that.
My wife wants loofah gourds. I plant loofah gourds. All right, smile.
Now we gotta skin them. That's enough to do like the next 3 years.
Oh, boy.
I need something to peel this into, so I don't have to just sweep it up.
Throw the shells in that bucket.
Oh, you're not saving any seeds? Sue said once you let it get brown, it's really hard to peel. And so she would soak them.
Run your finger down it and then peel it back.
Yeah, It's gonna take a minute. It's gonna take a minute. There we go.
There you go.
Alright. Shake the seeds out. And then one done. I finished this one. I had started this one in the
Still a few seeds in there.
yeah. Gotta be. I think it's just gonna be easier to peel them in. Not so dry. I'm gonna come up with something to do with these. They will not go to waste. We're gonna have some fat possum soap. Now let's see the difference in peeling
make a bar soap. Okay, there's one that's not quite.
This
so
one
brown.
is not brown, and it's gonna be
But it's gonna be
tons
slimy.
easier. But
It's gonna be
a little
slimy on the inside.
But you know what? I gotta wash my hands anyway. So.
Is that easier?
Yeah. Now it needs to dry out. But do you see how much prettier it is when it's...
They're gonna dry out. Look, brown. It's got a little bad spot on it.
Yeah.
A brown spot like the rest. Look at all the seeds in there.
Yeah, I think once they get brown, the stuff turns brown too.
All right, wrap it up.
Wrap it up.
Wrap it up. Say something to end it.
Oh no. We should have done these sooner. I didn't know the water was being turned off to these.
That's pretty much it right there. A loofah sponge. You just cut it however long you want it. Use it for a scrub brush. We wash your face or something with these?
Put a piece of it in our bar soap dish, just to keep the bar soap out of the water.
Oh, that's it?
And then I use a piece with my Clinique face soap.
Okay.
But I think there's like, you can make dish scrubbies.